I have been working to understand mobility patterns in cities using big databases coming from the public transport system. Our public transport system in Santiago is called Transantiago. Some of you may have used it. It is an integrated system of buses and metro. It moves a very large number of trips per day, 4.6 million trips, which is around 50% of motorized trips. So it's, we can observe a large component of the daily movements of the city through the public transport system. When you use the public transport system, you use your smart card to pay the fare, and all those transactions are recorded. And we also have all buses are equipped with GPS devices, so we know every 30 seconds where each bus is located. And we have developed some methods to estimate origin and destination of trips using that information. You only validate your car when you board, but we can estimate, looking at the other trips during the day, what was your travel structure. So we work with this data, and we have developed several products. One of the first things we did was this origin destination matrix estimation, which is crucial for transportation to know from where to where people need to go. But we also can observe a lot of what is happening with buses movement. Our system has 6,000 buses moving all day long. So we can monitor the speed of buses because we have a GPS every 30 seconds. Speed of buses is a very important variable for many things. For the cost of the system, because if the buses go lower, you need more buses to serve the same frequency. For the user experience, travel time, but also for emissions. And to estimate speeds based on measurements in the streets is very difficult because it is a variable that varies a lot. So it's very costly and difficult to do it with manual measurements in the street. With GPS information, you have everything available. So with these two big basic products, we have been collaborating with some colleagues within CR2. Mauricio will present something we have done about emission of buses, so I won't talk about that. And with Nicolas, we have been looking at the exposure of users to pollution, considering where they are within the city at different times of day, and we have that estimation for a very large percentage of the population in Santiago.